Beautiful gardens. Beautiful gardens, guys.
That color, I like that color.
Yeah.
That's red.
Fiona, peony.
Peony.
This is peony, guys. Different colors. And dadalhin ko kayo sa garden. Garden of Heaven. Oh, weeds, a lot of weeds with you.
Why?
My favorite weeds. And guys, very beautiful here. Oh, guava.
Apple, apple.
Oh, really?
Yeah, apple.
Apple, guys. Oh, this is real apple.
Yeah.
Ay, wow, first time, guys. Haba, apple in the wall. Apple in the wall. Oh, next week we can eat.
Yeah.
Guys, apple in the wall. Apple in the wall. Ganito kaganda dito, guys, sa Garden of Heaven.
That's my beauty, I think.
Peony. This different kind of peony, light pink. What a beautiful, guys.
Yeah, look at it.
Look at that, guys. Wow. Thank you, my baby.
Oh, look at it.
This is it, guys. Wow, like a medicine. I told you guys, very beautiful here. Fantastic.